A section of football legends now want the government through the Ministry of Sports to involve them in the preparations of hosting the Africa Cup of Nations in 2027. They also want the ministry to ensure the federation holds its elections as per the stipulated date and month next year.
What I want to tell Kenyans is that it is only in soccer here in Kenya where you find pretenders coming to manage the game. Not any other sports. When you look deeply, when you go to volleyball, you go to athletics, and you go to all these other games, swimming and blah, blah, you find the right people are the ones who are there. But it's only in football where people come from nowhere.
We are calling upon the Cabinet Secretary for Youth Affairs, Arts and Sports, as he is on record mentioning that the elections are supposed to be held by latest February 24th, 2024. He should set a roadmap as of yesterday. The roadmap should contain the election board, the election code, and the election register that is going to be used for that election.
Sisi kama legends tungelipenda tu involved yani kwa hiyo organizing, kwa sababu sisi tuelewa mpira na haitakuwa vizuri mpira iwekwe kwa wale watu hawajui. Wanaweza kuwa wanajua ndio, lakini sisi tunajua sana mpaka ndani.
The second edition of Live Free Cycling competition received a shot in the arm after Jubilee Insurance sponsored the event to a tune of 20